Okay, guys, how you doing today? Master Calvin FX here. I'm so pumped about gold. I'm so pumped about US30. It has been crazy, guys. Whatever you're doing, guys, all the best. As you know, we're sponsored by Vantage FX. We are also sponsored by PU Prime. So if you want to uh, sign up with any our broker, let us know so you can also benefit from very guided entry on the VIP if you subscribe any of our brokers. Eldorado FX, Master Kevin FX, as usual, bringing your daily analysis, guys. And just we're gonna go with a plain shot, guys. We know that last night basically in our latest analysis, we just spoke about gold and we mentioned about gold going up and then coming down. But to be honest, it was kind of a slow day because we didn't have high volatility news. But tomorrow, oh sorry, also one moment. Yep, and also I believe that yeah, tomorrow Thursday, yeah, we do. We have unemployment claims, and we're gonna have. It looks like negative numbers again. So probably gold is gonna keep dropping. But for now, what we are basically looking at, guys, is a gold chart in 4 hours. But I just gonna go to my daily chart to be able to see what's going on. And I believe, guys, this is the formation of a head and shoulder. This is the head that we have here right now, but we already have him for in daily. So let's see what's gonna happen. Daily is telling us that we're gonna have more down movement. So now we also have the weekly chart telling us about this down movement that is still going on. So what I'm expecting for tomorrow is simple. Let's go and mark our daily zone, and then we can probably find entry at this point. So today, gold has failed to take the previous daily high, which is this one right here. And then we also have this price that gold couldn't get into. So that was the opening price of the daily price yesterday, and then today we have a week up, but then in the end we came back to the closing price of yesterday, and then gold started respect our the sell limit that I'm gonna talk about in a minute. But for now, also we see that gold took, I think, during Asia session the low. So that was one of the clue that I used to decide to go for a buy to sell. And that's exactly, I think, what I'm gonna be doing. So the green would be our daily zone for now. So below this zone right here, we're gonna keep selling, guys. That's the only thing I know for now. So if you go decides to break, to take this high right here, is when we're gonna go back to buys. Simple as that. For now, we're gonna keep trying to sell, especially after this low was taken today. So yeah, the previous daily low. So simple as that. And this is what we're looking here. So this is our daily zone right now, and now we are inside the zone. So and then we have a rejection from above without taking the high. That's a lot of clues in there. So we're gonna refine to see if there is an entry I can give. Now we are in 4 hours. So for now, let's see one moment. And I also want to check today's high. Yeah, today highs was almost touching our stop loss. So this is also a price to take into account. If tomorrow we trade below this high, below these prices right here, is when we possibly gonna take another entry. We're gonna check if the price respect basically this other area right here. So this one is still on daily. We're gonna go in green. So guys, you know, this is what we're gonna do. So then our target kits, we keep in mind this one right here as a target, this low here, and then which is the price 2,376, just to make it wrong. And then we have another target right here at 64. But we also, once again, have our other two targets, these lows right here. So as long as we trade below 2,418, I'm expecting to basically uh, try to go to these lows right here. Okay, guys, this is on daily. Now we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to 4 hours to analyze and to try to find an entry and see what's gonna happen in gold. For now, we are inside the daily zone, so we need to see, what I need to see is a break of these prices right here at 79 to get taken tomorrow, and then we can have a confirmation of a retracement, and in a retracement we can keep selling. That's what exactly what I'm expecting. But for now, let's say in 4 hours, I'm just gonna do, guys, gonna take me some more time, but this is an in-depth analysis based in data, based in what I see that the direction is for me is still bearish. So 4 hours, uh, this price 2000, which is basically uh, the daily low of today, need to be taken. So let's see what's gonna happen if we get this taken. Then is when we gonna try to sell on a retracement. So this is basically the move I will be expecting to get. So actually to take the low, I don't know if it will be some liquidity taken, and then have a retracement probably around these prices here. Yep, this is basically what I'm expecting. And then we're gonna keep tackling these lows. And again, we know that we have a larger target in the other entry. So let's see what's gonna happen. This is what I'm expecting, right? But we need to must see this move, okay, down, and then we sell on the retracement. Let's do a refinement of this and see what exactly, yeah, inside this area we see that if we notice we have these three candles that rejected. So then we're gonna go this one and put it in orange because this is the 1 hour zone, guys. This is a 1 hour zone. As I say, it's gonna be taking me a bit more, but it's what it is, guys. This is when you analyze in depth the market, you just go by the price action. So yeah, exactly the same result that I was expecting in 4 hours, it need to happen in 1 hour as well. And then we sell in the retracement. If we get the retracement, and once again, what I'm projecting is probably to start selling from this 1 hour after this 1 hour candle is taken. So this will be my wholesale zone for tomorrow, taking into account these prices in here as well. So in 1 hour, I will expect price to remain below 94. Um, yeah, below 94 to be able to enter a sell. So meaning Maybe my entry, I will take it from the edge of this 1 hour zone. So we're expecting price to retrace. This is this whole zone after, if the price breakout and get back this whole green zone, meaning 2392 to 2390 can be a sell zone, but we must get the breakout once again. I repeat that. I'm gonna put a limit here, but guys, once again, I always expect you to check for confirmations if you enter any of the trades. Yeah, but we're expecting to go all the way down once again. Uh, but it will be talking about intraday trade and everything. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. But for now, let me just one moment. This is basically what I'm trying to. Once again, our entry is 2390. Let me just write it down. 2000. So sell limit 2390. That would be my preferred entry. But as I say, check for confirmation all around this area right here, this green area, if especially if you got the breakout. But yeah, below this price 2394, I'm gonna start looking for I'm gonna keep looking for sales as well, especially in our 4 hour zones. If we remain below 2418, even more. So sell limit, uh, we're gonna go to sell, to be honest, 2396 this time. So 2396 will be our SL. 2396, that will be our SL, just above this price here that I'm expecting gold to remain below. Um, and the TP, once again, the first TP from our entry, it would be 2380. And then the second TP, 2364. And TP3, in case you want to hold, 2350. And lastly, TP 2313. That's the number. So SL, once again, 2396. Okay, guys. Once again, tomorrow I'm not gonna be really active, so check your confirmation, check your levels, check the zones, check the behavior of the market, liquidity take, liquidity grab, everything, FU, whatever you check, supply and demand, whatever you check for confirmations. But this, as I say, this is where I'm uh, basically thinking that the market is gonna do, especially if we go and accompany this with our trend line, guys. Once again, as usual, remember I always like to use trend lines. We can have a possible push up even further, guys. That's, I'm not gonna lie, it is, you know what is, it is what it is in the market. And let's see if we can take this another trend line for confirmation from the top side where exactly we can locate it. But we know, yeah, this is another trend line that I have, but yeah, it looks like it's correspond with the sun. But once again, below these trend lines, that would be good confirmation if the price remains below. Okay, guys, so just be aware of that. So for now, this would be our setup. But once again, if price remains below these prices right here, that would be more confirmation. If it remains below the trend lines, even better. That's what I'm gonna do. This is the 1 hour chart, guys. This is the confirmations you need to check, please. And that's it. That would be the sell limit that I'm expecting for this time. Let's have a look what's gonna happen. Yeah. Remember the entries above here, 2,390 and 0.40. That's for gold. All right. Now we just do a quick recap on what happened today and yesterday. As you know, guys, it's very briefly that's just gonna say that we are running in two setups already. One of them plus 340 pips, and the other one plus 160 pips. So more than 500 pips in two setups. All right, on the last 2 days. So if you benefit from that, congratulations. And that's what I can say. So just keep following, click the bell, keep following us in Telegram, keep following us in everything, guys, because we are here for you. We always try to help you. Let me just go back again to, I think, is this forest.com that I choose? No, yeah. Once again, one moment. I'm just gonna do very briefly. I'm just gonna do in 1 hour as well. Let's see if Fibonacci also correlate with the plan that we have, and if not, let's see. I'm just gonna use Fibonacci here, and then just try to see from price to price. Yeah, it correlates with around 50% Fibonacci retracement. So meaning, guys, we can have a good entry around these prices right here. So better entries will be between 2390 and 2394, meaning that if we basically don't get lucky on this setup and it doesn't start selling from 2390, then we can still check below all these zones see a full sales, especially if we remain below the trend lines. Okay, guys, just another confirmation for you to check. Just check the behavior of those prices if you want to check. If you want to set the limit, congratulations. If you want to follow the limits, uh, just straight away, that's fine as well. But remember, I always suggest to check confirmation. Whatever trader you're following, just always check confirmations. That we make a better trader and that we do good for you. Another one that almost hit our SL before taking off, it was US30. It finally gave an entry in the setup, and it finally went in the favor of our trade. So the entry was right here, and then it went straight, I think, to our first EP. Yeah, 38,640. Yep, it surpassed our TP, and it went more than 665 points straight away. Congratulations, guys. It's the only thing I can say. Thank you very much for following. And now I'm not gonna be giving any entries today in US30, because if you are running with the forecast, guys, you are running more than 1,000 points. And then I'm not gonna give any entry today. Just let's leave it like that. If you're running in profit perfect, and then by tomorrow we check it out and see if we're gonna find anything else. The reason being I'm not giving that is because I'm expecting this low to be taken. Because if it doesn't, then we're gonna just double check the market tomorrow and see what we can do. But for now, congratulations, keep the profit running. And also just remember to secure some profit as well for yourself if you want to. But because for now, this setup was amazing, more than 600 points. We also smashed on goal. So all the best, guys. Anyways, Master Kevin FX here for you guys. Anything you need, we're here for you. And Eldorado FX providing signals, and also everything that you need, let us know in Telegram, let us know here in YouTube, and click the link below, and always follow us. Take it easy, guys, and have a good night.